Okay, so in this question we've been given this function which is continuous, and f1 is equal to 3, and also we've been given another function capital Fx as this, where gt is a function of f. Alright, so then for the function f, the point x1 is equal to, so that's f of x is equal to x square gx. Now let's substitute the value of x as 1. We get f1 is equal to g1, which is equal to 0, right? So let's mark this as equation 1. Now let's try to find f double dash x, and we get it as this. Let's again substitute the value of x as 1, and we get this. Since g dash x is equal to fx, so the final value of this comes out to be 3, as f1 is equal to 3 has been given to us already, right? So from this equation and from this equation, we get that fx has local minimum at x is equal to 1. So C is the right answer, that fx has local minimum at x is equal to 1.